So today is about Markdown for Humans. We are very delighted to have a new build live. You can read through the release notes. I will not dictate what all we fix, but these are some features, some bug fixes. And the best part is none of them is done by me. It's actually witnessing a solid community action. So these two PRs we are reviewing and working on. And if I show you the closed PRs, so none of them is mine. There is a lot of ones which are submitted by international community, and we are trying to merge and fix them. So very grateful to all of you. And if I go back on release notes, so in this release we have covered these features from 5 contributors, and I mean it's first time I'm releasing an open source where I don't have any contributions on my own. I'm just merging PRs, and we have an AI PR reviewer which is actually reviewing the code on its own, and then we have some of my teammates like Suraj and other folks who are helping me out to test the build and ensure that we don't release anything live which is not stable. With that, this build is now, I have checked, it's live on the VS Code marketplace, and we are very thankful for 8,000 plus users here, and VSX marketplace also with 6,000 plus users. It is live here also. So we have clocked around 14,000 users in very short span. Very thankful. We have not done any marketing as such for this tool. It is all organic, all natural. So big thank you, and hope you will like this release.